from Puerto Escondido. So it's a really early start to the day for us anyway. It's 7 a.m. and we got up this early because we're gonna head out and do some surfing. We've been doing some surfing lessons in like Portugal. We also surfed here yesterday. We rented a board, but we've never filmed it because it's kind of hard for us to learn to surf, both me and Carol, and also film at the same time. But yeah, we're gonna try and do that in this video. And breakfast is just gonna be some oatmeal. We got this one with chia seeds and some banana. Get some energy for surfing and some tea. Ready for some surfing?
Yeah, I think so. I hope so.
Yeah. So the beach we're heading to is called Carizalillo. It's a popular one for people to learn surfing here, because if you saw the last video, Cicatela, the waves are crazy. So the guys there said that there is no lessons there right now because, yeah, the waves are just too big. So they said to go to Carizalillo. So this right here is the beautiful little beach, Carizalillo. So the water here is a lot nicer than Cicatela. It's like some beautiful turquoise, kind of greeny color. And that's the surf spot over there. Doesn't look like there's that many waves though, once again.
No, it's looking worse than yesterday, which was already hard for us because we had to wait for like 10-15 minutes to catch a wave.
Also, there's like 12 people in there. So the guy who rented us the surfboard, he said there's actually a surf school in there right now from Cicatela, like 5 or 6 people, and they're leaving in 20 minutes. So once those guys leave, we're gonna surf here. There's actually some pretty nice waves now, baby waves. And this is how the beach looks. So there's loads of like beach beds, some little restaurant shacks here. Very small beach though, but yeah, it hasn't been getting too crowded. It's beautiful though, on the hillside. Alright, so we got the surfboard. That's a 8-foot one and it's 150 pesos per hour. Time to join the rest of them. And this one also has a little GoPro thing, so yeah, I can connect it. Alright, off we go. The water temperature's nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This board floats really well. I already hit some waves. Missed this one. Now we have to patiently wait.
swimming for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but then you catch the wave and it's the best feeling.
Tired. I think I literally like sat around for 40 minutes.
Yeah.
You see there was no waves, right?
Yeah,
this
for
last
a
hour.
long time.
You want to go again?
Yeah, I can try.
We're going to sit around?
Sit around, yeah, and wait.
So now it's Carol's turn. Last 15 minutes. Got 15 more minutes, yeah? I just realised the board's a Mexico flag.
Okay, wish me luck.
Okay. There she goes. Oh, I just missed it. Almost. Twice, right?
Half a wave.
Half a wave, yeah. Tired?
Yes.
It's a good workout.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So he said the waves are bad now because it's high tide.
Oh, okay.
He told us to come really early or really late. So maybe we can come again at like 4 p.m, 5 p.m. Yeah. Time to rest. Yeah, look how crystal clear this water is. Time to cool down.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna have many aches in our bodies.
Yeah. A lot of sunburn as well. Really is a beautiful beach though. A lot better than Zicatela. Beautiful water. Still worth it though, right? Even though we couldn't catch many, there weren't many waves.
Yeah, it's a lot of waiting, but then when you catch the wave, it's like a very good feeling. So
yeah, it's an awesome feeling.
Worth it, yeah.
When we came yesterday, there was more waves. We could learn a lot more, but yeah, it's not bad. We'll come again next time at low tide. So we're heading out now. We're gonna head back to our place. There's a really nice restaurant there with a good view. The neighborhood here is actually really nice in front of this beach. If we had known it was this nice, we'd have probably stayed here and not Zicatela. It's right between a lot of the main beaches. So it's full of like trendy little restaurants, loads of nice places to eat.
Wanna get a tattoo?
A tattoo? Oh yeah, check it out. It's not too bad, like $10, $15.
Or a small one?
Yeah, small one. That'd be a good way to get around.
Yeah, I'd love to rent one of these.
Yeah. So this restaurant area is right on the market. What's the market called?
Mercado Zicatela.
Oh, the area, Zicatela.
Yeah, Zicatela Beach.
Get an amazing view here of the ocean. We're just staying about 2 minutes down here, so really close. I'm not sure what this restaurant is called. Is that the name? Aleli. Aleli. The return of the unhealthy habit. It's a big one, half a litre bottle. Carol likes that half a litre. Trying to cut back on the Coke, but when it's like hot and sweaty, there's nothing better than an ice cold Coca-Cola. Look at that. Yeah, it's too good. Too refreshing. Orange juice or Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola. So we both went for the pescado empanizado, like breaded fish fillet, and we seem to have like rice, carrots, some little peas, vegetables. Yeah, really good meal.
And the tortillas.
Oh yeah, we always have the wraps as well. And this was 120, so really good price actually, especially with the view that you get. Cheers, mate. So we'll just show you quickly the market, because I think we need to get some potatoes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, some potatoes. So this is pretty much where we've been getting all our food. They have some mini like supermarkets, loads of fruits and vegetables, and it's actually brand new, so a lot of the stalls are closed still. But yeah, I guess this is going to be a very busy place in the future once all the stalls have owners. Want to go to this one? Potatoes. Yeah, just look how many fruits and vegetables there are here.
The size of this thing.
Oh, yeah?
I don't even know what it's at.
Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, loads of stuff. Look at that cow. What the hell is that? It's like a big orange.
Yeah, I forgot the name of the fruit.
Yeah, you can find almost every fruit and vegetable here though. Even on the other side, look at that store.
Do you want some mangoes?
Mangoes, yeah, can do. How many? Got these 2 mangoes and 2 potatoes. And when we're on the road, especially now, staying in like apartments, we do actually cook a lot. Probably, I'd say more than half of our meals, right?
Yeah.
Every month is actually cooked at home. But obviously when we're making the videos and we're out and about, yeah, we want to save time, so we eat in the restaurants. And it's also good to show you the local food and the prices and stuff. So yeah, we don't always eat out like it seems in the videos. We do a lot of cooking at home. So we come back to Playa Zicatela, where we're staying, just like the last video. We've pretty much been doing this every single day, just coming here for the sunset. Got to make the most of these awesome sunsets, and just really nice atmosphere here. It almost reminds us of like Goa, right?
Goa in India.
Yeah, in India, very similar vibe. I think it's because there's also loads of hippies here, and they're like doing yoga on the beach and working out. And at sunset time, they all come down to, yeah, just sit around, relax, and still do their exercise. So it's very similar. And if you watched yesterday's video, you'll remember that the waves were crazy and we couldn't swim at all. But it's wavy right now, but I think we can swim, right?
Yeah, if we want, I think we can. Still a bit rough, but not as yesterday.
Yeah, it's not as bad. And I'll probably get some sunset shots with the drone. That's not something that I do often on this channel, but yeah, I'll end this video with some drone shots. So hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.